Guys, today I'll show you how to add the speedometer and set a speed limit alert in Waze. Let's get started. First, open the Waze app on your phone and tap the search icon. Next, go to settings. Then scroll down and tap speedometer or speed alerts, depending on your version of the app. Turn on the show speedometer option to display your current driving speed on map while you're navigating. After that, enable the speed limit or speeding alerts option. Waze will show the posted speed limit where available and notify you if you're driving over the limit. You can also choose when you want to receive alerts, such as only after exceeding the speed limit by a certain amount, if that option is available on your device. Once you're done, return to the map and start a route. The speedometer will now appear on your screen during navigation. And that's how to add the speedometer and set a speed limit in Waze. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.